Good morning, students. Welcome back to ninth class English. The name of the story is The Lost Child. Once there was a fair. People were moving to have the visit of the fair. A boy and his parents were also going to the fair. On the way to the fair, the attractive things that are lined up, that were in the shops, lined up along the way to fair, attracted the attention of the boy, and he always lagged behind. Each time the boy fell back or lagged behind, his parents called him to be quick and be with them. We studied about it in our previous class. Today we shall discuss the next paragraph or next paragraphs. Yes, that is the next paragraph begins like this. Yes. Part 2. He went. Who went? The child went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped. What did I say? Mukangali? He went means who went? The child went, the boy went towards the basket. Towards what? Towards the basket. Go to Jhuri Paku Gale, where the flowers lay heaped. ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଫୁଲ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଗଦା ହେଇକିରି ରଖାଯାଇଥିଲା, ଥୁଆ ହେଇଥିଲା. That means the boy went towards the basket and the basket was full of flowers. There were heaps of flowers in the baskets. As they neared the village, who? The boy and his parents neared nikotako asile the village. The child could see. See means dekhiba. Could see means dekhi parile. Who could see? The child could see footpaths. Chola patha dekhi parile. Full of people, and those footpaths were full of people. Jana gahali punna. What was full of people? The footpaths were full of people. Who could see it? The boy could see it. When they neared the village, he felt that both repelled. He felt both repelled and fascinated by the confusion. Vimukta akorsita, fascinated means by the confusion. Dwandare. Of the world he was entering. से जो जगत से जो जनगहली भितर से पशुआवली भितर सी गोटे मुग्ध होता एंड द्वंद्वर मध्य सम्मुखीन होता. ठीक ना? जोड़ी रे गदा होई रही फुल आड़ को पिलाटी दौड़िला. वेंट टुवर्ड्स द बास्केट फुल ऑफ फ्लावर्स. Semane, that means the boy and his parents neared the village And the boy saw that the footpaths were full of people. ସେ ଏବେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରୁଥିବା ଏକ ଗୋଳମାଳିଆ ପୃଥିବୀକୁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରି କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ହୃଦୟରେ ବିକର୍ଷଣ ଓ ଆନନ୍ଦର ଭାବନାକୁ ଅନୁଭବ କଲା। He felt at both repelled, ବିକର୍ଷିତ and fascinated, ଆକର୍ଷିତ। Some things attracted his mind and some repelled, distracted his mind. That means the boy felt both bitter and sweet experiences. Fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Just 1 minute. Yes, here is the next para. A sweet meat seller hawked means ଡାକିଲା। ରଡ଼ି ବଜାରରେ ଯେମିତି ଲୋକମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ସାମଗ୍ରୀ ବିକ୍ରି କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଡାକ ପକାନ୍ତି, ବାଇଗଣ କେଜି 20 ଟଙ୍କା, 1.5 କେଜି 14 ଟଙ୍କା, like this. The hawkers in the market do like this in order to attract the attention of the customers, buyers. So in the fair, a sweet meat seller hawk ଡାକୁଥିଲା गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फी, जवेली at the corner of the entrance. Where? At the corner of the entrance, प्रवेश पत्र कौनसी एक कोणरे there was a sweet meat seller who hawked डाक पकाउतला गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फी, जवेली, come and take, have and enjoy it. This was going on, and the hawker called like this to sell his things, to sell his stuffs, to sell his goods. The child stayed open-eyed. The child stayed open-eyed. खोला खोला आखि बड़ बड़ तराटी देखिला। Stayed means देखिला. Who stayed? The child stayed. And his mouth watered. Whose mouth watered? The child's or the boy's mouth watered. तार पाटिरे जाब गड़ीगला. Could understand? When he heard the name of Gulab Jamun, Rasgulla, Barfi, Jabeli, the boy's mouth watered for the barfi that was his favorite sweet. What was his favorite sweet? Barfi was the boy's favorite sweet. When he heard the name of barfi, his mouth watered. तारा जाब बाहरी पड़ा. I want that barfi. Who said it? The boy said it. I want that barfi. He so slowly murmured, गुण ହେଇକିରି ଧୀରେ ସ୍ତରରେ କହିଲା. But he half knew, ଅଧା ଜାଣିଥିଲା. It was well known to him, ତାକୁ ଜଣାଥିଲା. As he begged, जो ଅନୁନୟ କଲା, that his plea would not be heeded, ତା କଥା କିଏ ଶୁଣିବେନି, କା କାନରେ ପଡ଼ିବନି. He knew it, ଏଇଟା ଜାଣିଥିଲା. Because his parents would say he was greedy. କାରଣ his parents, whose parents? The boy's parent would say, କହିବେ, କ'ଣ କହିବେ? ଲୋଭୀ ଲୋକଟା. We will not buy from him. ତାଠୁ କିଣି ଆଣି. Because he was greedy. So without waiting, ଆଉ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ନ କରି, for an answer, उत्तरକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ନ କରି, he moved on, ଚଳିଲା, ଆଗକୁ ଚଳିଲା. Who moved on? The boy moved on. Could you understand? Got it? Next, a flower seller hawked. First, a sweet meat seller hawked, ଡକା ପକେଇଥିଲେ. A flower seller hawked. फुल बिकाली रडी कला ए गार्लैंड ऑफ गुलमोहर यू नो गुलमोहर मीन्स गेंडू फुल ए गार्लैंड ऑफ गुलमोहर गेंडू फुलर कृष्णचूड़ा हार राइट गुलमोहर मीन्स कृष्णचूड़ा फुलर हार ए गार्लैंड ऑफ गुलमोहर कृष्णचूड़ार हार The child murmured. Murmured means you know I have already told you. Gunu gunu ही कहला. Who murmured? The child murmured. What did the flower seller hawk? The flower seller hawked his garland of gulmohar. Who heard it? The boy heard it. What did the boy do? The boy murmured. Gunu gunu कहला. I want that garland. Who said it? The boy said it. What did the boy say? I want that garland. But he well knew. से जानितिला भला भी जानितिला. Well knew means भला. Who well knew? The boy well knew. His parents would refuse. मना करिवे नास्ती करिवे to buy him those flowers. It was well known to the boy that his parents would not let him have or possess the garland. They will refuse, deny it, because they would say, ସେମାନେ କହିବେ ଯେ they were cheap, ସସ୍ତା ଯାକ, not good, very cheap. So, without waiting for an answer, ଆଉ ଉତ୍ତରକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା ନ କରି he moved on. ସେ ଆଗକୁ ଚଳିଲା. A man stood holding a pole. What did I say? A man. Who stood? A man stood. Holding what? Holding a pole with yellow, हलदिया, red, नाली, ग्रीन, सबुज एंड पर्पल बैगनी रंगर balloons. Could understand? A man stood holding a pole with yellow, red, green, purple balloons flying from it. ସେଠାରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଲ ଧରି ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି. ସେ ପୋଲରୁ ରଙ୍ଗ ବେରଙ୍ଗର ବେଲୁନ ଉଡୁଛି. Who side? The boy side. What did the boy see? The boy saw a man standing holding a pole, and from the pole the yellow, red, green and purple balloons were flying. Could understand? Seeing the colorful pole. Seeing the colorful pole means colorful pole देखी. The child desired, अभिलाष प्रकाश कला. Who desired? The child. मनोवांछा कला, मनरे पांचिला. To possess them all. से सबु जाको किणी दे बोली भाबिला. Who? The child. I mean the boy. The boy desired to possess them all the balloons. Could understand? Now let's move to the next page. Here is the next page. But he well knew, किंतु से जानितिला, भलाई जानतिला, his parents would never buy. Never means केबे हेले. Buy means किनिबा. Buy, bought. His parents would never buy him the balloons. It was well known to him. ताको बहुत भाई जाना तिला. His parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say, यानी कहिबे कौन गए? He was too old to play with such toys. ये सब खेल खेलिया पाई, ये सब खेलना खेलिया पाई से पिला न बड़ हो गलानी. So he walked on farther. The boy walked on ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ପଳେଇଲା. A snake charmer, snake charmer means sapua, stood playing a flute. He saw a snake charmer. Sapuati देखिला. The snake charmer was playing his flute to a snake. ସେ ଗୋଟେ ସାପ ପାଇଁ ବଇଁଶୀ ଫୁଙ୍କୁଥିଲା. Which coiled the snake coiled itself in a basket, and that snake coiled itself in a basket. गोटे झुड़ी भितर सी गुड़ेइकिरी थिला, कुंडली आकार रे थिला. Who coiled? The snake. Where? In a basket. Who was playing a flute to the snake? The snake charmer was playing a flute to a snake. Its head raised. Whose head? The snake's head raised. Raised means munda upurku uttila in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan. Swan राजहंसर बेक बंका बेक भली सापर मुंडटा भी उपरको उठिला, रेज उठेला. While the music stole into गुप्तरे ता कान भितर पशुता in its invisible ears. जेतल तारा अदृश्य कान भितरे फ्लूटर संगीत गुप्त भाव में पशुला. At that time the head of the snake raised utila, popped up utila in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan. राजहंसर वक्र गला सदृश्य मुंड उठिला, सदृश्य सापर मुंड उठी रहा, फेन उठिला. Could understand? The child went towards the snake charmer. ପିଲାଟି ସାପୁଆ ପାଖକୁ ଗଲା, ଆଡ଼କୁ ଗଲା. But knowing his parents, ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ମାଆକୁ ଜାଣି, had forbidden him to hear such coarse music. Coarse means कर्कश music. But knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music, as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. ତାଙ୍କ ବାପା ମା ଯେହେତୁ ତାକୁ ବାରଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ଫରବିଡେନ୍ ବାରଣ ନିଷେଧ କରିଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇକିରି ପ୍ରୋସିଡେଡ୍ ଫାର୍ଦର ଆହୁରି ଆଗକୁ ବଢ଼ି ଚାଲିଲା. There was a roundabout in full swing. ଗୋଟେ ଚକ୍ରାକାର ଦୋଳି, swing means ଦୋଳି, round about ପାଖାପାଖି ଚକ୍ରାକାର. There was a roundabout in full swing. Men, women and children carried away. पुरुष स्त्री महिला पिला माने समस्ते से माति जाइछन्ति. इन ए व्हीलिंग मोशन, चक्राकार गतिर चक्र माति पड़छन्ति. श्रीक्ड चित्कार करछन्ति एंड क्राइड रडी करछन्ति विथ डिजी लाफ्टर. हसरे मुंड बुले होता भली हसरे. ऑल आर स्क्रीक्ड एंड क्राइड. Who? Men, women and children were carried away. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who did the child see at the fair? Who did the child see at the fair? मेलारे पिलाटी काकू काकू देखिला. At the fair the child saw the answer should be what did the child see at the fair. This is the right question, not who, what. Okay, at the fair The child saw the heaped flowers in the basket, various tasty sweetmeats, gulab jamun, etc., the garlands of gulmore, the colored balloons, a snake charmer playing his flute to the snake, and a roundabout or merry-go-round swing. The child saw all these things at the fair. Next question. Yes, question number 2. Did the child want to buy anything in the fair? What are they? What were they? Why did he move on without waiting for his father's reply? Yes, the child wanted to buy a few things in the fair. They were a mouth-watering burfi, a garland of gulmore, and all the balloons. Could you understand? But he moved on without waiting for his father's reply, because he knew well that his parents would not buy anything for him. Next question, that is question number 3. Did his parents buy him anything? Why? No, his parents did not buy him anything because they wanted to keep him away from the things wanted by the child, as they considered the things useless for them. His parents did not buy anything for him because they thought those things were useless for the boy. Question number 4. Did he like the music played by the snake charmer? How do you know this? Yes, he liked the music played by the snake charmer. We came to know this from the fact the boy, from the fact hearing the music of the flute, the boy went to the snake charmer. Next, what was it that attracted the child most? The colorful balloons attracted the child most. Question number 6. The child made a bold request to his parents to go on the roundabout. Will the parents allow him? We shall see whether his parents allowed him to do so or not in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.